He conquered cancer, then he conquered the Tour de France, a record 7 years in a row. Tonight, cyclist Lance Armstrong has a new battle to fight. The U.S. anti-doping agency alleges he cheated for years. The CBC's David Common has the details.
Now it's all at risk. Lance Armstrong could go from one of the greatest American athletes of all time to the worst disgrace in a sport afflicted with doping. The American icon has long been under suspicion for doping. Accusations were leveled, investigations launched, but public charges never laid. Now, the U.S. anti-doping agency accuses the 7-time Tour de France winner of a long-running doping conspiracy. Armstrong has never tested positive, but the agency is taking a different path. It's relying on testimony from multiple riders with first-hand knowledge, more than 10 cyclists. Tyler Hamilton is one.
I saw it in his refrigerator, I saw him inject it more than one time.
You saw Lance Armstrong inject EPO?
Yeah, like we all did.
EPO, a blood booster that can help cyclists increase their endurance. Teammate Floyd Landis admitted he used it, then accused Lance Armstrong of doing the same.
You're saying Lance Armstrong is a liar?
Yes. It's his word versus ours.
Armstrong seemed to know the charges were coming, and in a statement today he says, "I have never doped, and unlike many of my accusers, I have competed as an endurance athlete for 25 years with no spike in performance, passed more than 500 drug tests, and never failed one." But regulators say blood tests done in 2009 and 2010 are consistent with blood manipulation, accusing Armstrong and others of covering up their doping. Armstrong is now retired from cycling, taking up the Ironman competition instead. The charges disqualify him from continuing. For now, he can ask for a public hearing to challenge them. And if he doesn't, he'll almost certainly be stripped of all his major wins, including those 7 Tour de France titles. David Common, CBC News, New York.